Pasagot. Teka. Sige.
30 to 40%.
Tama. Taga saan school ka? La Consolacion. Sige. Okay. Aureliano, second chance. Ilan ang munisipyo sa probinsya ng Camarines Sur? Ana? 14, 14, 14, 11, 140. Mahirap.
150.
140. Wala. Sige, ibahin natin ang tanong. Tingnan natin kung nakinig kayo kanina. Ano ang ginagawa namin at saan na munisipyo kami nag-re-receive ng Abalon?
San Rafael.
Ale?
Karamoan po.
Tama ba? Taga saan ka?
From TUP Manila.
Ba't puro taga-PUP yung makakasama ko doon TUP. Sino mga kaklase mo dyan? Mabuhay kayo. Maraming salamat. Ano pangalan mo?
PJ.
PJ. See you soon there. Ilang puno ang aming pinatanim noong World Earth Day? Ano ba?
600,000.
Tama ba yun?
600,000 trees.
Ba? Taga anong school ka?
St. Michael's College of Laguna.
Maraming salamat. O mga nandito sa stage, papunta ka doon.
O bago ang picture taking, we'll give other participants a chance to ask question to Governor Migs, Gov.
To Miss Bianca Gonzalez.
And of course, we'd like to invite Miss Bianca Gonzalez.
And Mayor Pai Alvarez. All right, guys, it's time for you guys to ask our ambassadors. All right, first question, Ate Pebbles. Okay, so let's start. Your school and your name, and para kanino?
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon to everyone. I am John Umerianga, and I am from Tarlac State University. And my question is for Miss Bianca. Hello, Miss Bianca.
Hi.
Magandang hapon po.
Hi, good afternoon.
Being ambassadress, gusto ko lang tanungin, ma'am, how are we able to invite and persuade those passive people na makilahok sa atin? Because hindi naman natin mapipilit lahat or hindi naman natin ma-expect na lahat ay active sa pangangalaga sa ating kalikasan. So how are we able to do that?
What's your name again?
John Humor. Humor po. Yeah.
John. Hi, John. One, very simple. Start with your closest circle. So, family nyo, friends nyo. Kasi I'd like to think na yung family nyo and close friends nyo are like you. Ibig sabihin, they care. So, from there, big deal na yun eh. Kasi ikaw, siguro you can influence 5, 10 people. Or in your school, hundreds of people. So yun, one is start with your close circle. 2 is social media. Sobrang effective tool ngayon to reach even the farthest places. So yung Facebook account nyo, Twitter account nyo. And I mean really, with seeing the news day in, day out of the footage of what happened with Yolanda, parang it's hard not to care. So medyo walang puso na talaga yung hindi magkikare. I think you have to make them understand lang na it's in the littlest things they can make a big difference.
So basically, ma'am, media has a greater part on it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Alright,
you.
thank you, Miss Bianca. And that
Okay,
question was from
another-
Tarlac State University.
Another
Next question.
Good afternoon. I'm Daryl from the Technological University of the Philippines, Manila. So my question is for Governor Villafuerte. My question is, as a newcomer in politics, how can you introduce your projects to other LGUs, and how can you persuade them to commit what you have done and also do what you have done?
Maraming salamat. What's your name again? Sorry?
Daryl.
Daryl, thank you for your question. Nung ako po nabigyan ng pagkakataon na maging gobernador, sinigurado ko po na ang El Verde program ay sa akin po talagang ipapagpatuloy. Yung ginawa po ng aking ama na financial incentives to best barangays and best municipalities sa aming probinsya, ay siguro pwede rin po i-adapt on a national level, hindi lang po on an LGU level. So ito po, siguro pwede po namin kausapin si Secretary of the NR, si Secretary Lucille. Siguro, pwede natin gamitin ang platform ng El Verde Movement, ang aming financial incentives para sa mga LGU, na pwede na rin pong gamitin sa iba't iba mga municipalities, mga barangays and cities in the Republic of the Philippines.
Sige, thank you po.
Thank you,
Okay,
Daryl.
thank you, Gov. All right, our next question is from UP Diliman, and this question is for Mayor Pai.
Hello.
Hi, Mayor Pai.
Hi.
I have two questions actually. My first question is, when are you planning to implement the plans for the resort community? Then the second one is, because from what you have told us with the commercial, we expect na meron tayong commercial spaces na mapupunta dun sa resort. Of course, there are beautiful white sand beaches. Pero alam rin natin na hindi lang naman sa LGU mapupunta yun. Pero syempre, meron din tayong mga private companies na mag-handle rin or makikisama or sponsors, ganun. Paano po natin or ano yung guidelines natin para ma-maintain yung cleanliness and make sure na wala tayong magiging waste or makikip yung paglaban natin sa climate change?
Okay, what was your name?
May.
May, thank you for asking those questions. To answer your first question, kung kailan magsa-start yung GK Resort Community Initiative namin sa San Vicente, we've actually started already with our first community. That's 100 homes, and we plan to finish that within a year and a half. We just did our model homes now, and if you get the chance to visit San Vicente in the future, you will definitely see more resort communities all around the barangays kasi yun talaga yung kailangan. Yung second question mo was, how do we maintain it, diba? Actually, just to correct, the LGUs will not be gaining any revenues from the resort community. The resort community is a partnership that the LGU has with Gawad Kalinga and the beneficiaries. So those are the locals that will be living there. All the revenue will be going back to the community, and it's going to be shared through all the families. So parang they're also gonna get their own source of income.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Mayor Pai.
Jules, because we are running out of time, we will only entertain 2 questions.
Our next question is for Governor Migs from PUP.
Hello, sir. My question is, I don't know, your province have embarked a lot on tree planting and some on aquaculture. Well, we all know that environmental sustainability does not only lie within these two. My question is, are there any moves from your government on the part of the people of Camarines Sur, like waste management or the more responsible population of your province in terms of taking care of those planted trees and aquaculture that you have embarked in your government?
Thank you for your question. Actually, 4 months pa lang po ako nakaupo bilang gobernador. At nung nakaraang Setyembre po, ay nagkaroon kami ng massive coastal cleanups in 86 coastal barangays sa aming probinsya. So doon pa lang po, nagsimula na po kami. Sa El Verde Movement po, nandun po yung recycle, and we will give you books, notebooks, and pencils. So yun po yun sa school level. On a province level, lagi ko pong kausap ang aming provincial director, ang Army, na makapagtulungan sa paglilinis ng aming mga kapaligiran sa probinsya po ng Camarines Sur. Naghigpit po kami sa Sagip Kalikasan, ang aming LGU initiative sa pagbabantay ng mga illegal lagi sa aming probinsya. So at habang pong idle po sila, sinisigurado ko po na they encourage cleaning ups in our province. Lalong-lalo na po in the barangay level, yun nga po, nagkaroon kami ng 86 barangays coastal cleanups. Ito po ay parang National Cleanup Day po ito nung nakaraang September. So, simula po lang po ito. Marami pa po kaming gagawin sa aming probinsya. And if you have suggestions, maybe I can talk to you on how to have better cleanup movements. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Governor. We'll take the 2 questions.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
All right, our next question is for Miss Bianca Gonzalez from a student from TIP Manila.
And then the other question is,